Hey, what's up, guys? It's Andrew Harrell here at Fairweather Farm, and I just want to show you guys what I'm doing here right now. So basically, I want to put in my greenhouse anchors, which are these metal rods right here. And as you see, I've got my measuring tape laid out. Okay, at the center of the anchor, and then what I'm doing right here. Hopefully, you can see this. Yeah. Okay. So see that line? That's just basically a Sharpie line marking 2 foot depth from the top of the pole where the hole is, because I'm going to have 2 foot above the ground, 3 foot below the ground. And this is just going to give me an indication of when the post has been pounded to the right depth when I get to the Sharpie lines. Little trick, keep them on the rack lined up, because you can use the preceding line to line up your next line on the next post. And what I do is I draw the line on both sides of the measuring tape, move it over, and then I use a basically just a oops. Oops, sorry guys. I just basically use a wood stick here, and that I use to finish these straight lines. So that's going to go for the greenhouse anchors. We're going to see if we can fit the post pounder on it, and if not, we're going to use a sledgehammer. And we're going to need some kind of a padding between the post and where we're pounding on, so we don't scrap the top of the anchors. Stay tuned.